Assalamu alaikum. Today I am going to give you the presentation of how to pour water into glasses. This is an EPL activity, exercise of practical life. The child is able to learn eye and hand coordination, control of movements and how to pour the balancing of a jug. So here is an activity. For this you need a chowki and an oil cloth. Before inviting the child, see that you have prepared the material. Then invite the child. Today, shall we learn the new activity which is of pouring? You like pouring water, right? Today I am going to show you how to pour water without spilling. Okay? Then take the child to the place where the pouring activity has kept. Then bring the tray and arrange on the chowki. Before giving this presentation, the child should be aware of how to lift a jug, how to put down a jug, how to lift a glass and how to put down a glass. Once the child is aware of this activity, then you have to go for pouring. Can you see this indication line? Okay. I stop the water when I reach the indication line. Before giving this presentation, you have to tell the child, see, can you see this indication line? So I am pouring the water till the indication line. Okay. Bring it closer to the glass and pour. Then start seeing whether you have spilled the water. Bring an attention of the child. See, I have not spilled any water. Okay. If at all the water spill, tell the child to clean it with the napkin. Okay. Then pour back the water into the jug. Now you can tell the child to repeat the activity and you have to observe his movements. So here I finished the activity of pouring water into glasses with different indication lines. You can also give a presentation for the child to pour the water into the glasses with the same level. So this can be a different presentation.